Okay, shall we start? Now we'll be discussing other critical aspects. One more aspect in valuation of perquisite is valuation of perquisite of interest-free loan or concessional loan, given of course by employer to employee. Okay, so valuation of interest-free loan, isn't it? Valuation of interest-free loan or concessional loan given by employer to employee. Isn't it a benefit? It's a benefit for employee. So how its valuation will take place? So first thing that you should understand is it is a tax free perquisite if loan amount does not exceed rupees 20,000 in aggregate during the year. Okay, so tax free perquisite. Two things. One, if aggregate amount of loans does not exceed rupees 20,000, then it is tax free perquisite. Got it? And second possibility, if aggregate of loans exceeds rupees 20,000, then it is taxable perquisite. See, mind you, it is, understand what I am saying. एक तो लिखा है इंटरेस्ट फ्री एंड एक लिखा है कंसेशनल लोन. Now what is the meaning of interest free and what is the meaning of concessional? Try to understand. Okay, I'm employer, you are employee, I am giving you loan of rupees 5 lakh and I'm not charging any interest from you. What is this? Interest free. So it will become valuation of interest free loan. But if I am giving you loan of 5 lakhs and I am charging from you 2%, it becomes valuation of concessional loan. That's the difference between interest free and concessional. I am employer, you are employer, I am giving you loan of 18,000. 18,000. What it is. And that's the only loan that I have given you as an employer. Then, yes, it is interest free, absolutely correct, but it will not be taxed because the value, the amount of loan doesn't exceed 20,000. Okay? Please try to understand that if it exceeds 20, then it is valued. If it does not, if the loan amount does not exceed 20, it is not valued. Its valuation is nil. Tax free perquisite मतलब उसकी valuation हो जाएगी nil. That is the meaning of tax free perquisite. Okay, and taxable perquisite will be valued. Taxable perquisite will be valued, and now discussion is how to value it. Okay, so please try to understand. Interest that you are paying as an employee is nil. If it's a if it is nil, but how much you would have paid if you had taken similar loan from bank? That is to be considered. Now which bank? State Bank of India. Okay, that's the benchmark. Now everyone understands that benchmark hona chahiye. Correct? If you have taken loan from employer, you are paying no interest. If you would have taken same loan from State Bank of India, the State Bank of India is to be taken as benchmark in this case. Okay, that is given in income tax rules. All these valuations that we are doing are as per income tax rules. So it says take rate on similar loans as would have been charged by State Bank of India as on first day of the previous year. It matters कब का rate of interest लेना है. Okay, as an employee, when did you take the loan? 1st December 2017. Doesn't matter. You will consider rate of interest that would have been charged by SBI if they would have given the loan as on 1st April 2017. ये आपको समझना है. Got the issue? You have to take rate of interest charged by SBI as on first day of PY. ठीक है? And apply it on loan outstanding as on last day of the month. Okay, because क्या होगा? It's not necessary that entire loan is outstanding for entire full year. You have taken loan as an employee, so employee will be repaying it, isn't it? So employee will be repaying it. So what is the balance outstanding of the loan as on last day of the month is to be checked. Okay, on that he will calculate that rate of interest as that would have been charged by SBI as on last day of the month, as on first day of the year, SBI. ठीक है? Let's see. So with example, because without example you will not understand this issue. So there is one example given to you. Check. Go to that example. Go to that example to get clarification on this issue. See, you have this illustration on. You have, right? Yes, see this. On page 5, there is this illustration. Got this illustration? See. Goldie Limited has advanced interest-free loan of 5 lakh. So 5 lakh means amount is exceeding 20,000. Now, should you value Perquisite? Yes, because amount is exceeding 20,000. Correct? If amount was up to 20,000, valuation will be nil. Correct. To its employee K for purchase of car on 1st May 2017. K has been regularly repaying the loan in installments of 20,000 per month at end of each month. Getting it? Compute value of taxable perquisite on account of interest, assuming State Bank of India rate of interest for such loans as on 1st April 2017 is 10% per annum. Got it? That is the issue. So, tell me, when was the loan taken by employee? 1st May 2017. So, how many months, if you literally understand what is the benefit employee is enjoying, that benefit is not of the loan. That benefit is of the fact that loan is interest free. Because 5 लाख रुपए benefit नहीं है. Because 5 लाख रुपए तो वापस आने वाले हैं. Employee को वापस देने हैं कंपनी को 5 लाख रुपए. So 5 लाख benefit नहीं है. Benefit is the fact that he is not paying interest. That fact is the benefit, that is not paying interest. So he is using company's funds for how many months? In this PY, he is using company's funds for how many months? 11 months, correct? From 1st May 2017 to 31st March 2018. But issue is, amount used is not entire 5 lakhs. Because in May he is repaying something. At end of June he is repaying something. So his repayment is there. Starting, it's said that it will be at 20,000 per month at end of each month. So obviously you have to assume that it starts at May end. So May end को वो start होगा. So outstanding at end of May will be 4,80,000. So for May you will calculate on 4,80,000. And so on. You will calculate for 11 months the interest, and that interest for 11 months you will add. That will give you value of Perquisite. Let's see. So, write down. Give the heading, computation of value of Perquisite with respect to, is it interest free? Because nothing is recovered from employee towards interest. So it is computation of value of Perquisite with respect to interest free loan for previous year 2017-18. Relevant AY चलेगा उल्टा लिखा तो 2018-19. Do particulars and, or instead of particulars you can do month. Correct. Month will be more relevant. Month, amount outstanding at end of month. Okay, and interest. At what percent? 10% per annum. That is nothing but actually value of Perquisite. Getting it? So we should start from which month? May. So what? May 2017. Then June 2017. July 2017. August 2017. September 2017, and so on. October 2017, November, December, Jan, Feb, and March. 18, 18, 18. You have to tell me how much. ठीक है? So, amount outstanding at end of month is how much? Yes, 4,80,000. Here it will be 4,60,000, 4,40,000, 4,20,000, 4 lakhs. ठीक है? And you continue accordingly and keep on telling me the figures. Interest calculation will be like this. Mind you, 2 to 3 calculations I'll show you. For me it will be 4,80,000 into 10% per annum into 1 by 12. Relevant only for me. That's why 1 by 12. So how much? 4,000. Next month how much? Next month it's 4,60,000 into 10% into 1 by 12. 3,833. Next. $3,667. Next. $3,500. Next. Check. Yes. Then I'm just writing the interest figures. You should do the entire working as is shown in the columns. 3167, is it? Then next 3000, next 2833, next 2667, next 2500, and finally 2333. Take total. That will be total value of Perquisite. How much? Yes, 34,833. 34,833 is value of Perquisite. This is the highest level of question. For 11 months we are calculating. Getting it? If company has given loan from 1st January 2018, then obviously Perquisite will be only for 3 months. Correct? Fine. What is deviation to this? Is some interest is recovered. Now technically, if any interest is recovered, you will minus from this 34,833, because to that extent valuation will go down. Okay. Suppose I am saying that 2% interest is recovered. Okay, then instead of calculating also at 2%, and what you can do is, while calculating here, you will calculate at 8%. Simple. So write down leaving 1 2 lines. How will you value? ऐसा ही पूछता हूँ मैं आपको. So we'll not solve it again. I'll just say, how will you value such Perquisite? How will you value such Perquisite? How will you value such Perquisite if employer charges interest? If employer charges interest to employee on such loan. If employer charges interest to employee for such loan at 2% per annum. Okay. So write solution. Interest recovered from employee towards the loan, interest recovered from employee towards the loan should be reduced from rupees 34,833. From rupees 34,833. Okay. Full stop. Alternatively, while computing value of Perquisite, it should be computed at interest rate of 8% per annum. It should be computed at interest rate of 8% per annum. ठीक है? In bracket 10% minus 2%. Clear? Got it? So this is about interest free loan or concessional loan.